Hello friend, today we see a beautiful house of 15 by 50 feet. This is the front look of the house. You can enter from there and beautiful tiles here, and this is the porch area or parking area, and this is the stairs which are going from ground floor to first floor, and this is some space occupied by bike parking or some garden area, and this is the porch area around 6 feet by 10 feet, and this is the window of kitchen. Now we can enter the main door of the house. This is the hall, big size hall, around a 14 by 13 feet big hall, and this is the POP still under the construction, and how it look like that you can see the in image. And now we enter the kitchen area. This is the kitchen area, very beautiful and according to the Vastu. And here you can see the shelf, and here we put a fridge and everything in proper order. And look at this tiles, this is very costly tiles, and here window and shelf, everything is in their place. And now we again enter the hall, and now we go to the common bathrooms of a house. This is the common bathroom, around 4 feet width and 7 feet long common bathroom. This is the premium tiles which are using in this house, and this is the master bedroom of a house, which is around 10 feet by 14 feet width, and the tiles are double charges vitrified. And here you can see the ventilation we are providing in the 3 rooms, hall, master bedroom, and our common. So we design a very proper ventilated house. You need not to switch any bulb at the daytime. And here you see the master bedroom's toilet, which is around 4 by 7 feet, and very good quality premium tiles we are using here. Thank you.